This item right here, I already had packed sets of 2, so I unpacked one so I can show you guys what exactly is. I love selling old hardware. These came out of a school. Door handles, solid brass, very heavy. Each one is about 3 pounds, so this is like a 6-pound package right here. These sell very well. Vicky listed them 2 weeks ago. They sold, and the condition, the more they're worn out, the more rough and, you know, abused and used they look. It seems that that doesn't bother people at all. They want that distressed look. So we only had $5 in each of these handles, so like a 10 bucks for this set. It sold for $70 plus $10 shipping. I had 2 different sets and the guy bought both of them. So they're heading out to the same person. Very nice flip. 10 bucks to 70. I'll take it all day. Keep an eye on old hardware. People like these. This is Playmate, right?
ASMR. Sorry.
That's, you know who that is? That's the guy that comes here all the time. Hey Papa, hey Papa, thank you Papa.
Oh, yeah,
that's him.
Guatemalan guy.
The Guatemalan guy, yeah. Nice guy.
Playmobil.
Playmobil,
Yeah.
number 5324. This is complete playset of like a kitchen. No, not a kitchen,
bathroom.
like a bathroom setup. But it has a, what is this? Like a
It's
furnace?
old fashioned. This is from the Victorian house.
I want to show these.
It's cute.
This is cute.
Very cute.
Look at the shower head. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Oh, if you look at the pictures, you'll see it's all
So
set up.
this is the toilet and the toilet paper right on the side.
So
Look, that opens up. You can actually pull on this. This is pretty cute. This is a little heater that heats up your water and you have a shower head. This is crazy.
It's very cute.
Look at that sink.
It's adorable.
That's definitely Victorian style, you know?
Because this is a bathroom for the Victorian house.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you got a little guy and a lady. She looks
Yeah.
like she's housekeeper maybe, or housekeeping,
Nanny?
something like
I don't know.
nanny.
Governess.
Yeah. Little bathtub.
So cute. That goes across the
What
top.
is that? Oh, that goes on
I
top
think
like
it's
that.
upside down. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you.
I put the little guy in there. Let's
you
start playing.
playing?
I'm playing. Oh, look at this. No, this
That's
belongs in a
footstool.
bedroom.
No, that's a footstool.
That would be like in front of a bed.
Here. It's right here. It's in the. I went through all this.
So we still have, I think,
Hamper?
like 5 or 6 more sets.
Look. There's like towels in
It's
there.
a hamper. It's a little hamper.
Yeah.
A little hamper with stuff
Towels.
inside, like clothing inside. Pretty cool.
It's
So
towels.
this, we had $10 in this. Vicky broke down roughly what
Yeah.
we have. We have still, I think,
Yeah, we
5 or
have-
6
I have some more
sets like
yeah.
that. And this one sold for 40 bucks, $8 shipping, and took a week to sell, so not too bad. This
Was
one
it
was
only a
pretty
week?
quick. This one was only a week.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it comes with this little instruction, what you're supposed to have. We don't have these mats though. We're missing the mats.
Are we missing? No. What do you call that?
Oh, we have the mats, but
We have 2 of them. We're missing one.
Yeah, we're missing one.
But there's 2.
Yeah, we have
That's
2
good.
mats. That is pretty cool.
Yeah. It's very cute. Very
See?
detailed, cute set.
I learned something myself too, because you know I would never pay attention to stuff like this when you're going
No.
out garage selling. You know, somebody's selling the
Oh.
whole thing.
Oh, yeah. You need to know.
You need to know.
Yeah. Look at how cute this is.
Great flip, love it.
So.